Hi guys, so a little bit of different content from me. So I have been asked before in the comments section, have I ever tried HelloFresh? Now, I have, but it was many moons ago. And when I got it, I didn't think it was very much. For two people, for me and Mark, I didn't think there was enough. I think probably would have had to go for 3 people, but that's how it was ages ago when I did it. Now, I had a look on the internet and they're now doing 50% off your first order. So it made my order for 2 people, for 2 meals, $13.99, and that was delivered as well. And they're also doing a free dessert. So when I clicked on, quite easy to choose the meals. However, there was a lot of meals that you had to pay a supplement for. So anyway, I chose 2, and I'll tell you what they are in a minute. But like I said, 50% off, which makes it $13.99, which isn't too bad, but I still think, it's still, quite a dear expense. It's £7.50 for 2 people. And I have been getting meals cheaper, but I thought to myself, I'm going to get some different meals that I haven't had before or a bit different. So I've got myself a Put Your Feet Up chicken korma tray bake, and that is a best seller. So we're going to try that one. And then the other one that I've gone for is a calorie smart one under 650 calories for honey Dijon bacon, potato and apple salad, right? So yeah, I could have chose 2 hot things or anything, to be honest, but I decided I wanted these because I thought these sounded tasty. So they do gluten-free, vegetarian, vegan, fish, whatever you fancy. But I must say, $13.99 is not so bad. But when it goes up to full price, is it worth it? Well, I'm going to cook them up anyway. They've prepared them for me in the bags, which I think is a really simple idea. Came in a nice box with the frozen little packaging as well, and then you put that straight into your fridge. The chicken's in the fridge, and like all the perishable things. The desserts I chose were the GU, and they were the cheesecake ones. I've already had one, beautiful. But you could also have chosen like a starter or spring rolls. There was like different options as well. It wasn't just the dessert, so I thought that was quite good. So I'm going to go for the apple salad. Honey Dijon bacon, potato and apple salad. So I'm going to cook this up and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. So, made the salad. It was very easy. All your steps were on the back. And look at that. It does look really nice. I'm going to try it though. So let's get a bit of everything on here if I can. I mean, there's that many ingredients in here. Get some of that bacon on there as well. Oh, it's very tasty. That sauce is really good. That's really, really nice. Very, very tasty. And, you can keep these for future reference as well. I absolutely love it. Can't lie. Very tasty. I thought the ciabatta was actually just to go on the side, but it was actually to make croutons. So that is my thoughts on the salad. Loved it. I'm now going to make, I'm going to make it tomorrow, the korma tray bake. So all in all, I love that, I'm not going to lie. I'm just going to break it down though. So $13.99 isn't too bad, like I said. So if you break that down into the 2 meals, it's just under £7. So £3.50 per salad. Which doesn't sound too bad, but £7 for a meal for 2 people. It's probably not so bad. But if you double that when it isn't 50% off, is it worth it? Could you get the ingredients cheaper in the shops? If you're bulk buying, for instance, the salad mix, the apple, the red onion, all these like smaller bits here you could buy in like multi-pack. This is for quickness really, isn't it? It's brought to your door, it's easy to do, easy to follow, and for people that can't cook, won't cook, it's pretty simple for them as well. Everything is labelled how to do it. It's a good meal, and you can impress somebody with like even a simple salad like that. So tasty. I don't think it's worth it without the 50% off.